Today I'm going to show you the simplest way to import your video. Remember that we need to go to the window in the left hand corner and we are looking for Adobe Premiere Pro 2019 and click on that. Remember to click this little compatibility window, just click OK and let Premiere open. Remember that this opening screen is our splash window. We are going to be clicking over here on the left where it says New Project. On this window, we're going to name our file. We're going to name it first project underscore your name. So type that in the line up here and then click OK. Wait a little bit for your window to open. So this is our editing window, and over on the left here, these are tutorials. If you get stuck on something or you have extra time in class, you can always do those tutorials. Today I'm just going to quickly show you how to import a video, and so to do that we're going to click the editing button at the top of the screen, and over here on the right side bottom this is our import media window. So again, I'm going to make this window smaller, and I am going to go out and find a piece of video back from in classroom. The very first link says Panthers on the Prowl folder. Then click on Panthers on the Prowl. This is the folder that you'll use throughout the year. For today, we're just looking for the stock video footage folder. Click on that. And in here we see a bunch of what are called stock videos. They're just short, free videos. We're going to scroll through them. Sometimes you'll get this unable to process, but most of them you can view or watch right in the screen. We're going to choose this keyboard one, and we're going to watch a little bit of it. And then we're going to go and download. The download's up in the right hand corner, and you'll notice that it is downloading to the bottom of your window. If we click on this little caret, we say show in folder. And here's our video in the downloads. We're going to move this out to the desktop. That makes it easy for you to find. It makes it easy for me to find when I need to help you. Now if we close our windows and move our main Premiere window over, here is our video file on the desktop. Drag that video file into Import Media to start. And here is our video ready to be edited. Now that I have my video footage imported, you'll notice that there are two windows above the media browser, and the one on the left that is highlighted is where we edit our video. I'm going to make the window a little bigger here so that we can see this, and if I double click on my footage that's unedited, it will show up in the media browser on the left. Sometimes this takes a few minutes. If it doesn't work for you, again, raise your hand and I will make sure that we get that started. Sometimes the computer's just a little bit slow on this part. So here is my unedited video on the left. I'm going to do what's called marking in and marking out. I will get this little blue scrub bar and roll it to the beginning. Then I will place it where I want to mark in and click the little bracket down below there called mark in. Then I move my scrub bar to the very end and I will mark it out where I want my video to end in my movie. Next, I need to put the video in my timeline. I go up to the movie and click and drag this down to the bottom where it says timeline. You see the movie appear on the right side, and I see my video footage down below in the timeline. Here I can watch it again to make sure it is edited the way I want it to be. Notice in my media window I now have two pieces of video, the original piece and the piece that has been edited. As you see me slide this little bar below the timeline, this stretches out my video in the event that I would like to edit it further. There are other ways to edit, and we'll learn those later. If I want other footage from that original clip, I can go back and I can clear my mark in and mark outs by going to the markers menu and scroll to where it says clear in out. So let's look at the differences between our original video that I'm scrolling through on the left and our edited video on the right. Now you know your first basic edit move. Go to File and to Save. You've already named the file once, and now your file is ready the next time you would need to work on it. We click the X to always quit out of Premiere before we log out of our computer. Be sure you've also filled out your notes.